Hello and welcome to my kitchen. This lip smacking Aloo Chana Chaat is ideal for this season. There's hardly any cooking and no oil in the recipe. Raw mango slices and a spice mix at the zing. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. To begin with, we'll dry roast some whole spices, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, a red chili, a green cardamom, and a piece of cinnamon. Just dry roast them on a low heat so that they release the aroma. That's done. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down. Grind the roasted spices coarsely or into a fine powder as you wish. That's done. I'll leave it a bit coarse. The other ingredients that we require are some sprouts, chopped coriander, sliced tomato, sliced raw mango, lime, boiled and sliced potatoes, sliced cucumber, and some tamarind or imli pulp. We also require boiled chickpeas and some chopped green chilies. Let's get started. So in this bowl, I'll add in the boiled potatoes, cucumber, chopped mangoes, sliced tomatoes, and the sprouts. Some chopped green chilies as per your taste, the coriander leaves, add in some honey into the tamarind pulp and mix it well. All the ingredients are at room temperature. You could also have them chilled. Season it with some salt and some black salt, some chaat masala, tamarind pulp. All this is as per your taste. So you want more of anything, add more. You want less, add less. It's totally your preference. And finally some lime juice. Give it a mix. Chaat is one salad that you really need to build according to your taste. That smells inviting. I'll add in the masala that I had prepared earlier. That looks good. Time to taste. I'll add in some more lime juice. Some black salt. And a bit of a masala. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. That should do it. Serve the chaat immediately after mixing. Add some lettuce or cabbage leaves for decoration. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves on top. And the lip-smacking Aloo Chana Chaat is ready. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.